Is your passion for fashion design, but don't know where to start? Well, start here. Join us on the LA Manufacturing Tour, a guided experience with limited attendance space. It's no secret that fashion development and production can be frustrating. You'll be given an insider's view of the local garment industry. You'll profit from the established relationships we've built with top-tier suppliers, pattern makers, manufacturers, and more. Learn where to go, who to talk to, what to say, and assemble your go-to team in no time.
Today we're out with Fashion Angel Warrior, touring Los Angeles, learning a lot about fashion. I found where I'm going to start adding a shoe line to my brand, so that'll be fun.
But this unique experience isn't just for starting a new fashion line.
I want to branch out a little bit and find new contacts that are reputable for apparel production, whether that be sourcing new fabrics, new trims, new ideas, how to get your ideas across. I always felt like I was missing a piece of the puzzle when I went from the transition from school at fashion school to working in the industry. And I feel like having tours like this and more resources like Fashion Angel Warrior, it makes the transition a lot easier because you have people to answer those tough questions, or you have people to guide you to ask the right questions when you're trying to produce your own line.
You'll receive new resources for low minimum wholesale fabric and trim vendors, pattern making and grading, and it's all the tools you'll need to manufacture a line from start to finish.
I followed Fashion Angel Warrior as a part of my research into the market and thought it was a very nice opportunity to get more information and to learn. Her ability to take the knowledge that she has and to share with others and to give other people an opportunity to miss out on some of the mistakes that people branching into the fashion industry can learn was very attractive for me. I think it's very different when you can get on the internet, which can be very helpful, but also kind of misleading in certain ways, and information can be all over the place. But coming here today and meeting with the manufacturers that we've met with so far have given a lot more in-depth information. I saw potential to avoid a lot of potential mistakes.
Don't miss out on the unique perspective afforded by Fashion Angel Warrior. Don't keep making the same mistakes. Learn tips and tricks that will save you time, research, and money. Are you ready and committed to seriously making your fashion dreams reality? The time is now. Join us for the LA Manufacturing Tour.
This could kind of catapult you into really being where you want to be, and also cuts out some of the trial and error time of figuring it out blindly yourself.
There is no growth in staying comfortable, so take a chance, get out there, do something you haven't done before.
Attendance on the LA Manufacturing Tour is limited and always sells out. Book your spot today and get ready to turn your dreams into reality.